Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Acura MDX Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked before you begin the pairing process. This is a crucial safety step. Next, navigate to the phone menu on your MDX's central display. Finally, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable on your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone or Android, so your car can find it. Once your phone's Bluetooth is active, select Connect New Device from the MDX's Bluetooth menu. Your MDX will then search for nearby devices. When your phone appears on the list, select it to initiate the pairing. A pairing code will then be displayed on both your phone and the MDX screen. Confirm these codes match to proceed with the connection. After confirming the pairing code, your MDX may ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. It's recommended to allow this for full functionality, including hands-free calling and text message display. To ensure everything is working correctly, make a quick hands-free phone call. Finally, take a moment to adjust your audio settings for the best possible sound quality. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the MDX's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. You might also consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth pairings from your MDX to free up connection slots. For persistent problems, consult your owner's manual or an Acura dealership. Finally, for those looking to streamline their meal prep, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.